Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we've got another little favorite from the shop in. I mean, I know, we never, ever, ever do a review on anything by CRKT. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro. We're going to show you what's in the box. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you really awesome people out there who have been watching for a little while and haven't subscribed yet, we're going to make this real easy for you, man. Right down here, there's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, click on that. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Go ahead, do it early, get it over with, as quick as possible. It'll make you feel better about yourself. Now, as you saw by that intro, today we're going to take a look at the CRKT Ripsnort. Now, I know this blade's been out for a little bit, but honestly, because of the Gerber Flatiron, when we did a review on that on the channel, and I'm going to leave a card right up there for the Flatiron, I started looking at pocket cleavers a little bit differently. So, without further ado, there it is. It is a big, beefy, burly blade. Okay? It's got a neat little weight to it. I do love the dual tone scales. And honestly, what really grabbed me on it was I'm looking at doing a cleaver style blade from some of the other companies just to kind of do some comparisons. Because I'll be honest, I really love that Flatiron. And after having this for a day or so, I got it in the mail yesterday, so yeah, a day or so, I'm kind of liking it. I really truly am. Now, let's get into the fun stuff, okay? This is a Philip Booth design, and as far as I'm aware, this is the very first blade I've ever owned by him. I'll be honest, I really haven't checked a lot of knives that I have. The only one I'm really passionate about grabbing is by Ken Onion, but that's just me. It's got an overall length of about 7 inches. The blade, they say, is 3, but it has a cutting edge. Hopefully you can see that. They count, for some reason, all of that in there as part of the blade, of 2.875 inches. When it's closed, it's only 4 inches. But it's got a hefty weight to it of 6 ounces. I do like the fact it is a flat grind with the fine edge, as you can see. Now, it is, in that cleaver style. So, you want box cutting badassery? Here you go. You want rope cutting badassery? Here we go. You want even some camp chore kind of things? Here we go. It's a great choice. Not to mention, it's got that satin finish. And man, those who've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love me some satin finish as well as some stonewash. Now, the one thing that got me is the blade steel is 8CR13 MOV. Alright, it's budget steel, I get it. Alright, but it's got good edge retention, so you're kind of trading 6 in one, half dozen in another. Now, there's 2 ways to get her open. The traditional grab and hold, or it says flipper open. And I'll be honest, sometimes when I've used the flipper, I've had some problems getting it open. It's still brand new, so it will break in. This is something that kind of drives me insane a little bit. They put a lanyard hole on the bottom. Now, this is why it drives me insane. It's one position pocket clip carry, tip down, right hand style. So if you're going to put a lanyard hole on something, it should be on the top. That way it makes it easier if you put a lanyard, to pull, get it out of your pocket, as opposed to the bottom to give you more things to get caught on. That is just me. Alright, that's my feelings. Now, as you can see, we've got the 2-tone scales that I was talking about. These are just polymer, and it has a 2CR13 steel inlay on both sides. So it gives it that neat little black and chrome look, for lack of a better phrase. Now, inside here, we do have a massive stainless steel frame. And as you can see, there is a liner lock. And in case you guys are wondering, yep, it is made in China. Alright, now for the fun part. So, excuse me real quick. This is the part I know everyone likes seeing. So, excuse me as I get the crap ready. Alright, real simple. Hardcore paper. Heavy duty construction. No problem, right out of the box. And the other thing I've been doing, well, later videos, there are some paper particles on there. So, you know, little stropping is going to take care of that. Alright, paracord. Pull test. Not too bad. Let's go with a slice. Whoa. And like I did with the flat iron, so let's do it with this one too. Instead of just 2, let's shoot for a 4. Yeah, no problem. And the ratchet strap. If you guys watch Forged in Fire and Knife or Death, you know these things can be a bit of a bear for some blades. But here we go. There we are. Alright. Now, it went through all those, no problem. So I kind of like that. You know, no little abbreviated stunts, no fraying, no any weird stuff. So that's pretty cool right out of the box. Now, I take a look at the price like we usually do over on Amazon CRKT, and on one of our brand new favorites here, Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's going to run you $36.03. CRKT, as of yesterday, November 4th, 2018, they are out of stock, but they want $59.99. Over on Blade HQ, it's going to run you $42.95. Now, the rating. Over on Amazon, 4.8 stars out of 5. On CRKT, it's got 4 out of 5 stars. In Blade HQ, it's 3.5 out of 5. But you know what, guys? This is the point of the video where I want to know what you think, man. Seriously. I want to know everything. I want to know your questions, your comments, your love, your hatred, everything down below. Because you know I'm going to get back with you. I also want to know, do you think it's a noise? Or is it a real big old F-bomb? Noise? F-bomb. Now, with that wonderful stuff being said, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I want to thank you so much for picking this video. Yeah, I know the Ripsnort's been out for a while, but it's new to my channel. So it's kind of cool to bring it and have a different look at some stuff. Now, for you long-time viewers, here's second chance, man, because we believe in second chances. Look right down there. In just a little bit, you're going to see a bigger channel symbol. Go ahead and click on that, man. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you destroy that subscribe button, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you, my incredible viewers, every single time that my dumbass uploads a video like this. Now, speaking of vidges, dude, will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Ripsnort. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day today.